Alright, you know how this goes. I'm going to use my spice to season this chicken. This is the only spice outside of the curry powder that I'm actually going to use. I'm also going to use a lot of herbs and stuff, but as far as like spice, just mine's. Then you want to add some fresh thyme and a little salt as my spice is low in sodium. Mix this up and allow it to marinate for 4 hours or up to overnight, which is even better. To this pot, you're going to add a little oil and some butter. Clearly my pot was way too hot, but it worked out. You want to add your curry powder, and basically you're cooking the curry powder or burning it just to give it more of an amber color, but more so to cook out the curry powder. So you want to mix that up for about 2 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. And then you're going to start adding the chicken in, cover it, and just leave it alone. That's how I do it. I cover it, turn the heat to medium, walk away, leave it alone. And that's pretty much it for about 20 minutes or so, just so it can make its own juice. Right here in this bowl, I have more fresh thyme, scallions, habanero, fresh garlic. I have my allspice berries in the corner over there. I was moving the thyme so y'all could see what was in my bowl. That's the habanero right there, or you could use Scotch bonnet. And I just chopped some of it up, and that's all I'm going to use, y'all. But you can use whatever herbs you prefer. But these are the herbs that I use when making Jamaican curry chicken my way. These are the veggies I'm going to be steaming: carrots and cauliflower. Yeah, I know, pretty boring. The side is also going to be some couscous. And yeah. So this is what the chicken looks like after 20 minutes. I didn't mix it up yet. I didn't do anything. Everything is still at the bottom. So now when you're mixing it, you see how it's yellow. It's beautiful. It's going to get even more beautiful as it cooks. So you mix that up and then just let it continue to cook for about 10 minutes or so. And then I'm going to start adding everything in. 15 minutes later, this is what I have. Then I'm going to add some chicken stock. You can use water, but I feel like chicken stock is needed for more flavor. You want to cover it and let it continue cooking. So right here, I'm about to work on the couscous. I don't even have to show this part, but I decided to anyway, as the directions are on the box of the couscous. So you don't need me to show you, but I'm still going to show you guys what I did. I cooked it in chicken broth instead of water, which is the direction on the box, just to add more flavor. Plus, I didn't want to waste my stock. I made a whole bunch of it, so I wanted to use it up before, you know. So now I'm just going to fry up my plantains just like this. And this is the one that I use when I don't have the sweet ones in the store. I get the frozen and I cook them. They're just the same, just as good, even better. This is a pot with 3 bouillon cubes. And that's what we're going to steam the veggies in. So I'm going to chop up my veggies. We're going to steam them up and be done. At this point, your chicken is done cooking. However, make sure you taste it for salt, pepper, anything else you may need. I wanted pepper and more herbs. I like to season at the beginning and the end, so I added scallions, thyme, and black pepper. And I'm going to crank the heat up to about medium-high so that it can reduce and thicken. And then it'll be done. Rinse up your cauliflower, and now we're going to start cooking the veggies. I first added the carrots to the bouillon cube and water mixture, and then I removed that, and then I added the cauliflower. Alright, so now we're going to make a quick simple syrup for the limeade, blackberry limeade. You want to add your blackberries, some water and sugar, simmer that for about 10 minutes. I'm using limes, you can also use lemons, and just make it like you're making lemonade or limeade. And then all you're going to do is add, I used the whole entire bottle of water. And then you're just going to add the syrup to it, and that's it. The drink's done. It's so easy and simple. I love making homemade drinks. I have plenty on my channel, so make sure you guys check those out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. The plate looks so pretty, beautiful, smells delicious. You know what was my favorite part of this dish? The vegetables, because they soaked up that bouillon cube, which was surprising to me. Again, excuse my slurring, you guys. Like, I hate this. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ingredient measurements will be in my description box, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.